The website that I chose for the best design elements would be feedmusic.com. I chose this site because of all of the colors that they used to bring your eyes to the center of the screen where the information is presented. The lines of this website are subtle yet unique and enhance the information instead of detracting from it. The shapes that they use range from triangles to bubbles to lines to other unique and interesting shapes. They use this space intelligently without overcrowding the website, which is definitely a better option than too much going on in one spot, at least in my opinion. They use different sized shapes and lines as well as patterns to create a stunningly visual website that people would like to browse through and find out more information about, as well as look at what is being presented to them. The textures are all unique and not all one type, as well as the value of light and dark colors and negative and positive space add value to the site as well. All of these elements, colors, lines, shapes, space, size, patterns, textures, and values come together to create a visually attractive and easy to use website that allows users to come back time and time again to find out more information and possible updates or anything else that the creator of this website has to offer. And that is why I've chosen it as a great example of a well-designed website.